Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Are you tired of painstakingly signing PDF documents one by one? If you're dealing with a stack of agreements or forms, that manual process can eat up precious hours from your day. But what if you could sign them all in a single, simple action? Today, we're going to show you exactly how to do that, transforming your document signing process from tedious to truly efficient. Get ready to reclaim your valuable time and boost productivity. To sign multiple PDFs simultaneously, the first crucial step is selecting the right software. Generic PDF viewers, while great for reading, typically don't offer advanced batch processing functions. You'll need a dedicated professional PDF editor, one specifically designed for comprehensive document management. These powerful tools provide the necessary features to handle bulk operations, making your signing workflow incredibly smooth and straightforward. Before you even open your chosen PDF editor, proper preparation is vital. Start by gathering all the PDF documents you intend to sign and place them into a single, dedicated folder. This simple organizational step prevents you from missing any files and ensures a streamlined workflow. A clear, consolidated location means your software can easily access and process every document in one efficient go. Now for the main event. With your professional PDF editor open, navigate to your organized folder and select all the documents you wish to sign. Most advanced editors will have a specific batch processing or apply signature feature. Choose your digital signature, apply it once, and watch as the software automatically places it onto every single selected PDF. It's an incredibly fast and efficient way to complete your signing tasks. By implementing this simple batch signing technique, you're not just saving time, you're fundamentally boosting your overall productivity. Imagine the hours you'll reclaim each week. Plus, it ensures a consistent, professional appearance for your signature across all documents, eliminating manual errors. This powerful method truly transforms how you approach document management, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. Give it a try and experience the efficiency firsthand.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.